Hey everyone. So if you are worried about LRDI after looking at the recently conducted CAT 2020 exam, then here is a good news for you. If you are a CAT 2020 aspirant and if you are still worried about LRDI, so I have brought a complete solution for that. I am starting completely a new batch for LRDI for all CAT 2021 aspirants over here on YouTube. So in this particular video, in this short video, I'm going to give you the complete information about my new batch that I'm starting on YouTube, which is, as you know, it's completely free. And how am I going to prepare you, what topics will be covered, what will be the duration, timings and everything. So please stay tuned and watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and please share it with all your friends. Right, so before we go ahead, a bit about myself. My name is Ronak Shah and this is a brief journey of mine in case if you are coming across my sessions for the first time. So yes, I have plenty of teaching experience. I have trained more than 20,000 students for CAT and other entrance exams, and I'm also a digital marketer, so I'm sure you will enjoy learning with me. Now before we go ahead guys, just make sure that you have subscribed to this channel where you are watching this video right now. It's Unacademy CAT, so that you can attend daily live sessions not only from me but many other top educators. And yes, also be part of my Telegram group so that you can get updates about my other courses that I'm launching, and your doubts can also be addressed. So my Telegram group is unacademy_Ronak Shah. So please make a point to join this and share the link with your friends as well. So here is a brief outline about this course. So the complete course will have more than 20 sessions, and definitely there will be regular quizzes. Apart from that, the course will be completed in about 2 months duration, and all the varieties of sets will be covered. I'll give you more detail about that, what kind of varieties will be covered. Each session will be of 60 minutes duration. The sessions will be conducted from Monday to Saturday, and the timing will be 6 to 7 p.m. So I'm sure you will find this timing pretty convenient, because by that time your college would also be over, so that you can attend my sessions regularly. Where am I going to conduct the sessions? On this channel of Unacademy, that is Unacademy CAT. So please make sure that you all have subscribed to this channel and follow all my sessions in the playlist. Right, so some more details about this course. This particular course has been launched for all the CAT 2021 and 2022 aspirants. Not only that, this course will really helpful even if you're targeting exams like SNAP, CMAT, CET, ZAT and all. So the complete preparation will be covered. All the varieties of DI sets will be covered, like reasoning based DI, or you can say observation based DI, or complete calculation based DI. In CAT 2020, the weightage was, or the focus was slightly more on reasoning based DIs. In fact, there were very few questions based on pure calculations. So definitely we will consider that thing also, and we will practice more reasoning based DI. Similarly, all the varieties of logical reasoning sets will be covered. For example, family tree, blood relation based caselets, or arrangement based caselets, or miscellaneous puzzles and all. So the complete thing will be covered over here during my course. Right now, the thing is that you might be wondering, why should I attend this course? Right, so I have outlined some 8 reasons which will make it very appealing, and I'm sure you all would be looking forward to attend my course, which is starting from Monday. So it is completely free for everyone. You will find my explanation simple and crisp because of my previous experiences, because of the rich experience that I have. And my all sets will be handpicked, so I cautiously choose the set and then I give it to you to solve, and the difficulty level will progress in a step-by-step manner. Moreover, I'll give you plenty of shortcuts and option-based approach. The sessions will be moderately paced, and the timings are convenient, 6 to 7 p.m. You will always find nice graphics in my session, because I make a point to to use nice images and to have nicely arranged content, as you can see even in this slide. So that's mainly because of my previous experiences with the corporates. So yeah, you will really enjoy learning with me, and yes, we'll have fun in the class as well. So once again, keep learning with me. And apart from learning over here on YouTube and attending my free sessions on Unacademy Learning app, you can also join my courses, the plus courses, not only from me but even from other top educators like Arun Sharma and Ravi Prakash and Bharat Gupta and so on and so forth. So for that, what you can do is you can just use my referral code SHAH10 and you can join me for Plus also. The main advantage of Plus courses is definitely you get to attend more regular batches, and apart from that you get test series, you get personal guidance, you get GDPI preparation. So if you want to get all these advantages bundled in a course, so that is the Plus course. So go for Plus subscription if you're targeting CAT 2021 and so on and so forth. So instead of going for 12 months, go for 24 months plan, because you will require almost 1.5 years of support, and apply this code so you will get 10% waiver also. So guys, keep learning with us on this Unacademy platform and let's crack LRDI. Once again, before I leave, just to remind you, please do not forget to join this group and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.